this is the cross. And I could leave it like that, because to me, that says it all right there. But then I thought, well, I wanted to incorporate some of the flowers that I got and some of the ferns. So I got 3 of that, and I got the 3 lilies. And I took 2 of these. I didn't take 3, but I'm just taking I think it's gonna be too much. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna use these 2, to be honest with you. So I'll just keep it on the side. So I have this heart of twigs, and I had made a bigger one, and this is the smaller one. And I had a lot of decorations on this, and I removed it, and I cleaned it, washed it up, and the whole thing. So I've had it for years. So I was thinking about placing the heart on the cross. But I also want to do the lilies. So I place pins just to hold it in place temporarily, and then if I like it, I will hot glue it. But I didn't want to hot glue anything that I wasn't sure about. So temporarily, if I did this, something like that. And then the ferns, I have them all together with a pin also. I'll place the fern up here. And have them fan out. And then one of my little birdies, one of the doves, and this is from the Dollar Tree, from the Christmas ornaments. And well, you know, the Holy Spirit. So maybe I could situate the bird there and hot glue everything like so. Now, I'm guessing it would need, I don't know if I want these. Let's see. I could place these like so. And the other one like this. So it looked pretty but kind of raw at the same time, because the wood that was the cross became the heart. And the heart, which is wood, is the root. And the seed. And the seed and the flowers, and you know, love grows here. So something like this. What do you think? I think it's cute. I think it's really cute. So if I was to add a ribbon, I don't know. I have burlap, but I don't know if I want any more burlap. I think that's too much burlap already. I think it needs something in purple. And I don't have purple. I have the white one, but it's translucent. It's not a solid white, so I don't think that would good. That would be good. And I have this one. This one is pretty. So I can hang this one over like so. Something like that. By the way, I placed my camera on a tripod, and so it looks so different now. So how's that for you? Okay, so then I have this purple one, but it's also translucent. And I need a purple that will be solid. I have this gold, so I'm not sure. Let me place this on pause and I'll be right back. So for the sake of time, I hot glued the ferns to the top part. Now I'm gonna tie up the heart with some twine. And it has a little loop here, so it'll be easy to tie up. And I think I'm gonna go in like on a crisscross or something and just finish the tie in the front. I made a bow. If it doesn't look right, I'll remove it. And so to the three lilies, what I did was I wrapped up this fabric around it with hot glue because it'll be easier to keep it together and to hot glue it. So you won't be able to see all that glitter because it's going to go right underneath where the heart is. Right in there, but I'm going to hot glue it right there. And that fabric will help it to stay in place. Then I think I am going to use these, but I'm going to use them on the side of the heart. So the heart has the vines that hold the heart shape. So I'm just going to use that. And hopefully I don't have to use hot glue. And just maybe I have to cut the stems up a little bit. So I may have to cut the stems, but we'll see. Yeah. So let me cut that. Same over here. So on that side, the heart seems to hold it in place. Let me try to do the same with this one. Okay. So that's how it looks so far. And then the last detail, or not the last one, but it's gonna be the dove. And I did the same thing. I added fabric on the wire only because I want the feet of the dove to show. So I'm gonna embed it right in the middle there of the heart. So put some hot glue. And I'm lifting up the heart to situate it right in there. So it'll be just fine there. Then on the ribbons, I'm gonna do the ducktails. So this is the best ribbon that I thought that, you know, with the color. I have a lot of ribbons, but the color kind of like stood out a little bit. If I could find a purple one that is not translucent, then I'll probably end up changing it. But for now, this is the best one because the other ones are either burlap or Christmas. And just gonna gather this right here and put some hot glue right here. I kind of like it because it looks like a bird's nest, and I think it's just beautiful. Um, so tell me what you think. I added a little bit of extra lighting. I don't know if it's doing any good or any better. Please let me know in the description box below if the lighting is better, if it's worse. It's a little lighting that my husband bought me. It's like an LED light. But I think the cross came out really, really pretty. Very special. And I can't wait to display it for the Easter season. I think it's very pretty. And like I said, I may change this ribbon.